It's Saturday, and it's kind of late in the day. It's like 3-ish. And we are starting to bring all my clothes, selling and keeping down so we can go through it. So that is what you'll be seeing. What, babe?
Where do they go?
You can put non-boxes on the bed.
So that's to be confused with regular laundry?
No, it won't. I'm going through all the clothes. Andrew, can you get me turned around, babe?
Yeah.
My little wheelchair worker. Even got James in the mix. So I will be back. Oh my God, I did not film like hardly anything, but I'll show you that. This is a pile I'd like to put out. I don't have room to put this out right now. So we're going through my closet to determine. This is like summer and spring stuff. So, and then we have over here, this, where is it? This all right here is selling stuff. So, Poshmark, finding Evie soon for y'all. I have Andrew helping me now. James helped me for the first part. Everybody wants to see Andrew probably. Hi, Andrew. And I am fully dressed today. There's no bra, but we're not complaining about that. I'm home. I don't have to wear a bra. Why is my glasses crooked? Where's my... That was weird. Now I'm freaking out about it. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'll be back. Finally, we're done. But I literally don't have room for my t-shirt being, or I should say my sleeveless t-shirt. It's over full. So I'm gonna let you see that. So that is sleeveless t-shirt being. It won't fit. And this 2 suitcases and these 2 bins are full of clothes. Winter clothes, extra clothes, and clothes I'd like to wear in the future. So, yeah. I usually don't like to hang on to clothes, but there is a few things that I like really, really love that I want to get back into. So I kept. And then that bag is full of bags. If you know, you know. So, yeah. I just got my big honking bag full from Bloom Chick. I can't wait to get into it. Video coming soon. Well, I totally didn't get to vlog anything else exciting. I actually don't know when the last time I did pick up the camera was. Maybe Saturday. I'm not sure. We watched, after I got through going through the clothes, and we found a whole ton more that we had put in the drawers. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, we watched, let me just tell you, don't worry about watching that Winnie the Pooh horror movie. It's disgusting and terrible. Like, it was done so poorly. It was terrible. Just terrible. I was so mad that I had to sit through that with Jeremy and Andrew. They didn't like it either. Why did we finish it? I don't know. It was terrible. I could have wrote a better movie than that. And then this morning, Monday morning, Belle decided to go up the stairs and cry and scream her head off since Jeremy left about 6:30, 7 o'clock. Sat in my wheelchair at the base of the stairs, crying and begging her to come down the stairs. Finally, after she got really loud and started screaming to the top of her lungs, I was like, oh, dang it, come downstairs. And she did. I'm like, did I have to curse at you to make you know that I'm in business? But I did pray. I was like, prayed, God, please, like, not let her be suffering up there. But I think more it was she just got, like, forgot where she was at. And she couldn't get to me or something. I don't know. Because, I mean, she probably has little doggy dementia going on, being as her age is up there. So, I'm not mad at her. I'm just relieved that she's okay. So, something that happened on Friday, to change the subject off of Belle. This happened, Friday. Yeah, Friday. Or did it happen Thursday? I don't know now. Maybe Wednesday? I don't know. But one of those days, Wednesday or Thursday. Jeremy, it could have been Friday. No. It was definitely Wednesday or Thursday. Jeremy's car. Something about the tail, something about the rear tire. One of the rear tires broke. And he couldn't drive the car. So he had to stay overnight where he was. And then have his car towed. And once it was towed, it was at the wrong place. They couldn't fix it. So they called this other place. Or Jeremy did. And got it all set up to have it re-towed to this other place. And of course, they couldn't check it until today. So we're waiting to hear about that. And he's also trying to get his truck towed from our house so we can see which one is cheaper to get fixed. Both are on its deathbeds, but whichever one it is cheaper to fix will be what we have fixed, obviously. Anybody wants to donate a new car, that would be great. So, it's been quite the weekend. So, and yeah, I can't say that. Anyway. So I don't know what I wasn't supposed to talk about, but obviously I was thinking about something, but I don't know what it was. This is Wednesday, I believe, and while I'm doing okay, poor Jeremy is having to walk all over the place and Uber to work, so that's still not good. Yeah, my surgery is set for next week, so let's pray that we get a car before Monday when I have to go do the pre stuff for the operation. And then, yeah, we'll see what that is all about. and how bad or how better my foot is. I'm looking forward to it, actually. I'm a little worried that they won't do surgery because my sugar, my worst nightmare, has come facing me, and it's a little high, always. And the medicine makes me sick, so I'm not taking it. Yay. So, there's that. Y'all, this is my worst nightmare. For my sugar to be mid-200s is literally my worst nightmare. I went from being in the hospital and it being like 71 to like 119. Come home and it's like in the 200s all the time. I knew I should have never took the medicine for the little rise, because now I have the big bad rise. Very frustrated with it. So anyway, I hope that everybody has been having a wonderful few days. You're beautiful. Like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching if you made it here to the end. Remember, you're loved.